Well, here I am, standing on the middle of Dunans Bridge, the A-listed Telford design structure which we have spent the last 10 years working on pretty much constantly, making sure that it's properly maintained, repaired and ready for the next century. And I'm here because over the last month it's become apparent that the bridge is under threat. And it's not under threat through climate change or through overuse or even through neglect. Far from it. No, what the bridge is under threat from is a boundary dispute. Let me repeat that. A boundary dispute. Can you believe it? I'm certainly not sure I can. And this video is about what is going on, how it came to pass, and what we're going to do about it.